While shopping at my local grocery store, I came across an interesting find. This mince pie. Now, when I think of mince pie, I think of mincemeat pie. However, this one was quite intriguing. So I decided to buy it and give it a try. It was listed as having apples, raisins, orange peel, some additional spices, some currants, and surprisingly, apple cider vinegar. So upon cutting, it was definitely fragrant with scents of cinnamon, allspice. It had a clovey smell as well, which definitely made it feel like a seasonal holiday pie, something you would break out during the Christmas season. And the seasoning on the inside was very well done. This filling, as you can see here, was luscious, rich, and filling, and it held together very well. And surprisingly, on my first bite, I had a little bit of everything, including that orange peel, as you can see here. So, if you're interested in trying a mincemeat pie, this one is not the real thing as its British counterpart, but this mince pie is definitely delicious. Filled full of dried fruits, spices, and that delicious, gooey filling to hold it all together. Will you try a mince pie? Let me know.